Hello folks, we are taking up the part 4 video of the exercise 1.4. Here we come across a new concept, that is difference of set. Two set is given to us, they ask us to find out the difference. Pretty manageable concept. What we should be doing is, if you are given A minus B, then from the set A, we should remove all the elements which is there in the intersection. That is the meaning of A minus B. So remove from the first set all the elements of the intersection, and that's how you get the set A minus B. It's called as a difference of the two set. So let's go to the question right away. We are in the question number 8. Which of the following pairs, before that, now first thing that we're taking up here is about disjoint set. What is the meaning of disjoint set? Two set is said to be disjoint when they have no element in the intersection. When the intersection is an empty set, that time we call those set as disjoint set. They have given us 2-3 examples and we have to find out whether it is disjoint or not. That is our question number 8. So in the question number 8, they ask us to find out which of the following pair of set are disjoint. We have to find out whether they are disjoint. So here we have the set 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have the set of all the natural numbers between 4 and 6, means basically it's 4, 5 and 6 when we list it. Now when that is the case, there is a common element 4 there. So because there is a common element, it cannot be disjoint. So we can write maybe not disjoint. This is not disjoint because there is a common element. Now between this set A, E, I, O, U, that's our second subpart, and then we have D, C, E, F. These are two collections and two set, and in these two set we can glaringly see that E is common. So because E is common, it cannot be disjoint. So we'll say that again, this is not disjoint. In the next one, subpart, X is an even integer. Probably it could be like -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. And odd integer. So it is like -3, -1, 1, 3, odd integer. So amongst this, they are asking us whether it is disjoint. Yes, because we cannot find any common element between these two collections. So whether it is disjoint? Yes. So it is a disjoint set. This is a disjoint set. That is about question number 8. Now question number 9 is a difference that I was talking about. You are given the 4 collections like this: A, B, C and D. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 5, 10, 15, 20. These are the collections given. They have given us the series of differences that we have to find out. And we have to check what the difference comes up. So as I said, the first element, first set, we will remove all the elements which are there in the intersection. So let us see how to go about it. A minus B. From A, we remove all the elements which is there in the intersection. Between A and B, the common elements that we are able to see, probably it's 12. That's all. So from A, you remove 12. So what is remaining? 3 is there, 6 is there, 9 is there, 15 is there, 18 is there and 21 is there. That's it. So they have to be there. Only the common element you're going to remove. Then A minus C. Between A and C, whatever is the common element that we should remove. So between A and C, probably we have this 6 common. Then we have the 12 common. That's all. So what we are going to do is, from this collection, we are going to remove those common elements. So we will have 3, we will have 9, we will have 15, we will have 18 and we will have 21. The others, because they were common, we have removed it. So what is the difference means? Whatever common element is there, we are going to remove it off. We have A minus D. Now in A minus D, whatever is there common between A and D, that we are going to remove from A. So between A and D, whether there is any common element, yes, there is this 15 common. So the 15 can be removed and you will have A minus D as 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 21. That is our collection A minus D. Then we are coming up to B minus A. From B, whatever is common element, there we are going to remove, and we have seen that 12 is a common element. So the 12 will go off and you will have it like 4, 8, 16, 20. C minus A. Between C and A, whatever is common, that element will go off. So between A and C, the common element was 6 and 12. So we will have 2, 4, 8, 10 and 10, 14 and 16. We have removed the common element which we had circled and kept. Then we have D and A. Between D and A, the common element is 15. So 15 is removed. So it is 5, 10 and 20 because we are removing the 15. Between B and C, the common element is that we have not mapped. Between B and C, the common element is 4, then 8, then 12, then 16. So it is B minus C. So from B you are removing the common element. We are left with only 20. Then B minus D. Between B and D, the common element is 20. So B minus D means we will remove 20 from B. So it is 4, 8, 12 and 16. Now between C and B, C minus B. So between C and B, the common elements are 4, 8, all that. So C minus B. From C, remove all the square things. So you will have, the common elements are 4, 8, 12 and 16. So therefore it will come to 2, 6, 10 and 14. D minus B. Between D and B, the common element is 20. So you can remove the 20. So it's 5, it's 10, it's 15. Between C and D, the common element is, between C and D, as we see, 10 is common. That's all. We don't see anything else common. So you could have C minus D as 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14 and 16. And between D and C, the common element as we saw was 10. So it is 5, 15 and 20. So this is how we go about the difference of set. What we do is whatever is common between both the set, that we remove from the first set, and that is how we get the difference of set. So that is about this part. The fag end of the exercise we will be taking it up in our next part of the video. Thank you.